This is Golfco International. I'm going to be talking about rough mower rollers for the rotary decks primarily, and rotary deck mowers. And what we're going to be doing is talking about our polyurethane cast over steel rollers. This is a sample of the polyurethane that's permanently bonded and cast to a full-length steel tubing. This is thick gauge drawn over mandrel tubing. And the urethane's both chemically and physically bonded to the steel. And we're going to talk about we use seal bearings. The bearing and seal kit's the same for every roller. It's a sample of a cutaway. We're going to start with the front stubby rollers for a Toro rotary deck, as well as the options for John Deere and Jacobson mowers. This is a sample of a smooth polyurethane roller, again steel tube all the way from end to end, heavy duty steel roller. Bearing surfaces and seal surfaces are machined into the end of the steel tube. What we do is, this is a full length shaft from end to end, just barely sticking out of the end of this roller body. What we do is incorporate to install this. We just incorporate a sleeve and a bolt on the inside. This goes inside on the Toro rotary decks. This is fitted inside the nut that's welded inside the mower deck. This would be on the exterior, such as for this one. A little bit smaller sleeve, shorter bolt. These are 7/16 grade A bolts, black oxide coated. And this particular roller comes with all the installation tools on both ends. And that would be the front rollers. We also offer an option for grooved rollers for the front. Soft radius corners, larger radiuses between the crests on the grooves. This particular setup is a twin body roller for the front of an 8800 John Deere machine. We also offer those for the 9009s. Again, it's the same roller bodies that are incorporated on the Toro machines. We have full length shaft. These are retained by a collar with a set screw, so you have the capability to shift them left or right on your mower, on the shafts. Again, same polyurethane. This is the same option if you're looking for non-striping on your rough mowers. This is a sample of the grooved rollers that would fit the front of a 9009 John Deere mower. This would be a sample of a standard roller for the back of a Toro rotary deck. 4500, 3500, 4700Ds. Again, it's full-length steel tube, polyurethane. The advantage of the polyurethane is extremely tough, extremely abrasion resistant. We have customers that run along the cart paths, and you will not wear out the urethane on the cart paths. This is a sample of a grooved roller that we would offer if you're looking for non-striping. This would be for the back rollers. We have numerous non-striping options for the back. This would give you a pattern, more consistent cut across without laying down all the turf. These are options. This is an option for a smooth roller. Again, 3-inch diameter for the back rollers. Again, it's a non-striping option. Minimal lay down of turf on the ends. This is another option. We can do these on any of the rotary decks as well. This is 2 independent spinning grooved roller bodies. 3-inch diameter. Again, for a little bit more consistent. The advantage of having twin bodies with minimizing the roller bodies in the middle is that you get better airflow underneath the deck, better after cut appearance, more efficient operation of the mower head. Here's a sample of a little bit different option. This is for multi-bodied rollers, spaced apart, collars, the set screw on them. And for independent spinning grooved rollers, we can do these in smooth as well. The advantage to this is when you have a lot of undulations and tight turns in your roughs, this gives you advantage. Avoid the skidding effects and ability to make, like I say, make tight turns, and a lot of undulations would be an option. Gives you a much more consistent after cut appearance as well. Again, these are mostly options for these rollers. The multi-bodied rollers and the grooved rollers are mostly involved when you are looking for non-striping effects, a little bit more consistent quality of cut with less skidding.